Working on a BIM coordination project and received an NWF file from Autodesk Navisworks? This format aggregates models from multiple sources. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to open and work with Navisworks file sets for project coordination. Spoiler alert. This isn't magic. It's the result of knowing which single sophisticated NWF file inspection tool to use because of its expansive compatibility. A file set created by Autodesk Navisworks, a project review software for 3D design and construction management. Users search for this file to open a project that links to multiple native design files, like Revit or AutoCAD. It stores review data, viewpoints, and clash detection results without duplicating geometry. The NWF file is an XML-based pointer file. It does not contain the 3D model geometry itself, but rather references the original CAD files, e.g. DWG, RVT. This design allows for a collaborative workflow where changes in the source models are automatically reflected in the Navisworks project upon reopening. Most users will find that Autodesk Navisworks developed by Autodesk Inc. is the best tool for NWF. Native Windows association often leads to errors due to the file's complexity and proprietary format. Windows may not load textures or geometry, so full viewing must be done in supported 3D software. Let's check which applications associate the file. Right-click your NWF file and click Open With. Test with Autodesk Navisworks if available. If not, just choose another program from the installed list and see if it works. Why is the file failing? It's not random. Here are the most common technical factors preventing your NWF file from opening correctly. First, opening in Navisworks. Install Autodesk Navisworks. Manage or simulate from Autodesk.com and use File then Open to load the NWF file. Navisworks resolves all referenced source files showing the aggregated model with all linked CAD and BIM data. Ensure source files are accessible at expected paths for complete model loading and coordination work. Next, managing source file links. Use Navisworks' file options to manage source file references, updating paths when files move, and refreshing models when sources change. The append function adds additional models to the file set. Maintain consistent folder structures across team members to prevent broken links and ensure successful collaborative model coordination workflows. Finally, converting to NWD format. Convert NWF files to NWD published format, using File then Save, as NWD for distribution to project stakeholders. NWD files contain merged geometry without external references, making them portable but no longer linked to source updates. Use NWD for archival snapshots, while NWF remains live for ongoing coordination work. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. When your file is still locked, it means the file's header or structure is truly obscure. Don't waste time. FileMagick is built for this. It opens hundreds of formats and can be found at filemagick.com. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.